Brigadier Jerry, you know the situation. He is still locked up as he was not able to post bail. You know that his bail bond was set at $250,000 and I think you have to have a down payment of what, 10%, which would be what, $25,000, and apparently that money was not forthcoming. He was not able to post bail, so he's still in lockup. Veteran dancehall DJ Brigadier Jerry was unable to post bail when he appeared in the Waterbury Superior Court in Connecticut, the United States, on Wednesday. His bail was set at a whopping $250,000, $250,000. Mr. Russell is scheduled to return to court on December 11. Until then, he will remain in custody. So Brigadier Jerry, given name Robert Russell, was arrested by the Waterbury police in Connecticut on the 11th of November and charged with first-degree robbery, first-degree reckless endangerment, illegal discharge of a firearm, carrying a pistol without a permit, illegal transfer of a pistol, and altering a serial number on a firearm. So according to the Waterbury police, the 62-year-old DJ was playing card at Bertie's West Indian and American restaurant on North Main Street and realized his wallet was missing. Thinking it was stolen, he left and returned with a firearm which he discharged at the location. No one was hit. The police were subsequently called. The alleged shooter was later picked up at another premises and the cops found a loaded pistol. $250,000 bail is a lot of money, even for a wealthy man. You understand? And I don't know that Brigadier Jerry is a wealthy man. His wife saying it was a prank gone wrong, as they were messing around and they would have hidden in his wallet. And him figure say a thief it, so him go and come back, open fire, must say into a wall, the man them run, him take up the money and walk out and them something there. Briggy at 62. Briggy right now should end up help raise him grandchildren them. Briggy is languishing in American jail cell because he's unable to post bail.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.